Story time.
The village was alive. Joy echoed in the streets. A boy with messy hair raced past, leaving a trail of chaos. Gnarled hands passed down a treasure. "This will be your ally," he whispered. The boy's eyes widened in wonder. Evening fell, and tasks loomed. Clutter swallowed space and time. The boy felt the weight of forgotten chores. It shimmered ominously. "Learn to manage me," it warned softly. Failure hung thick in the air like fog. She sighed, hope dimming. His playtime laughter echoed in the silence. Responsibility danced just out of reach. Laughter mingled with forgetfulness. Carefree moments raced against time, but the clock ticked ever louder in his mind. The reality crashed in like a tidal wave. Rumbles of hunger and regret gnawed at his stomach. Time was slipping through his fingers. A spark ignited. He took a deep breath, picking up the pencil. Focus surged through him, cutting through the chaos. Chores completed, he danced around the kitchen. Satisfaction warmed his heart. He had earned his play. A soft glow radiated hope. The clock smiled back at him. "Balance," it whispered, "is the key to freedom." Joy erupted. Laughter filled the air, weaving in and out of time. Freedom and responsibility coexisted like best friends. He stood taller. The weight of chaos lifted. Time, once a foe, was now his companion. A new adventure awaited.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.